Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. This week started with a bearish candle. This bearish candle reached the first support level that was below the previous week Friday candle, and that is 1.07825. Before moving forward, let's check what was mentioned last week in the previous analysis. On the website where I have published this previous week analysis, I have announced that we could see some of the moves that has happened this week, and that is that we could see price staying above 1.07825 support level, and then we could see on the upper side price will have a hard time to break 1.08846. We could see only a wick on the upper side without a candle closing the day above. So we could look for a bearish entry opportunities. So let's check what has happened on the chart. So Monday has closed as a bearish candle, reaching the first support level. On a Tuesday, we have here indecision candle. That was first a signal the price have a hard time to move forward down, and also there is a problem for the price to move on the upper levels. The price reached a lower level than the previous day, but it could not go below the previous week low, which was here, 1.07574. So after this day has closed, what we can see here, the candle body did not close also below this previous day candle. So this was also a signal that the price will have hard time to move forward down. On the next day, what has happened, the price moved completely up. We can see a large candle here that has stopped right on the supply level zone around this resistance level 1.08846, what was mentioned also in the previous analysis. So the price have hard time to move upwards, and also we have here a downtrend channel resistance line that has posed an obstacle for the price to move on the higher levels. But on the next day the price has found enough strength to break above and reach higher levels. The highest level the price has reached is this level, which is close to highest levels on the candles that has reached 2 weeks before. So the price, what we can see here, could not close the price above this candle, and also could not close the price above this downtrend channel resistance line. What we can see here, it was a bearish pin bar signal, what was mentioned in the previous week analysis. If we see any bearish signal around this level on the retrace, it would be a nice selling signal. So what we can see here, it was a large selling pressure the price had seen here, which was also a selling pressure for these 3 candles and also for these 2 candles. What we can make a conclusion is this level represents a selling pressure. It is a supply zone for the price that will be hard to break above anytime in the future when the price comes here to this level. After that, the price continued to move down. So on a Friday, the price formed a strong bearish candle, which has closed the day below this previous candle's body, which suggests the price has managed to find strong selling pressure to break the buyer's strength here on the demand zone, and we could see the price moving further down. If you have entered into with this bearish pin bar, what was mentioned in the email newsletter, the exit level is around 1.07300 as the next target. The first target was here, 1.07825. The next support level for the price is 1.06736, and this price level was not strong support level in the past, so we could see this price support level breaking a little bit faster than it was 1.07825. But before that, it would be nice to see the price retesting this resistance level as a new resistance, and then seeing the price moving down. On this level we could see also some kind of bearish signals. That would be a nice signal to enter into the trade with targeting 1.07 1.06736 as the first profit target. If we check in the past how the price 1.06736 behaved, we will see this. What we can see here, around this level, when the price was moving down, we can see the price has found support around this level and the price retraced back up. If we go a little bit more in the past, we will see much more clearer signal what we can expect from this support level. So this level is here. When the price was in a bearish mode, this support level acted as a nice support where the price has found some strong demand and prevented the price from moving down. But this support level was a short lasting, where we can see here the price immediately on the next day break below and reach it below level 1.05825. Next time when the price was moving down, this support level was not so significant and the price broke below easily. But on the opposite side, when the price was moving up, this price level acted as a strong resistance. So next time when the price folded down, what we can see here was a weak support, and also here what we can see here, it was a weak support. Even there was a bullish pin bar here, the price could not prevent the price from moving down. Next time when the price was moving down, this support level was not so strong because the price break below and made it a retest as a stronger resistance. So what we can see here, when the price is moving down, this support level is not so strong, but when the price is moving upwards, we can see here the price have much more strength as a resistance. And what we can conclude here, this support level is not so significant for the sellers, but it is much more significant for the buyers. What that means, when the price is moving and when the buyers are pushing the price higher, they will have here much more problems moving price higher on the higher levels than the sellers have currently moving the price down. But on the below level, 1.05825 is much stronger support level, so we can see that this support level will be much more significant for the price than it is this one. If we move on the higher time frames, for example for 1 week, we can see what happens here. On a weekly level, we can see here 1.06736 is not so significant support. Each week has broke below easily except this one, but the strongest support level was here, here and here. So on the long term, we can see the price moving at 1.05087, which is around 300 pips from the current price. So on the weekly level, if we can see here, it is the final target for the price. If we check on a monthly time frame, which we can check for the current April month, just a minute, we will see what is happening. Let me make this a little bit more clear, just a minute. Okay. This is a trend line, what we can see here, but we have also here, just a minute, we have a triangle that is forming on a monthly time frame, and this triangle has been broken down, what we can see here on the monthly time frame. So the price currently is in a strong bearish sentiment. On a monthly time frame, the best support level is 1.05087, what we can see here. On the bearish sentiment, the price has stopped here. On the next bearish sentiment, the price stopped here. On the next one, the price stopped here. So what we can make a conclusion on a monthly time frame for this month, it would be nice to see the price closing below this level, 1.0. Just a minute. 06736, and then we will see price moving even more down, and the final target would be around 1.05000. If we move on a daily time frame for the next week, just a minute. In the short term, the price should reach this level, the 1.07300 and then 1.06736, with a retrace testing this previous support as now as the resistance level. And after that, this support level is less significant than this one, so we could expect the price reaching this level. On the upper side, if we want to see the price, the first significant level is 1.08846. which we can see here, which was a strong selling pressure. If the price closes above on a daily time frame, the next obstacle will be 1.10755, which is even stronger resistance for the price. If the price manages to break above this level and close the price here in this area, then we could say that the price is changing the sentiment from the bearish into bullish. Until that happens, it is much more smarter to watch the entry levels for opening sell orders here, then looking for opening buy order around this level for a retrace. It is much better to check here to find a strong bullish entry signal before entering in any trade. But in any case, it is best to avoid trading against the trend, so it is much better to look for bearish entry signals. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!